right here? You see that long ass line? This is basically what happens. You see that light all the way down there that just turned red? You probably can't see it. Even in 4K, you probably still can't see it. It just turned red, that left arrow. So the cars over here will be like, F that, I'm not waiting. And they'll skip this and they'll go all the way around, and there'll be that first car skipping you at the light. Alright, so she just came for there. I'm just gonna let her in. Yeah. Nah, she said thank you. You're welcome. You know, so yeah. So that's what they do. And then I'll take video down there and you'll see how that went.
Just released body cam footage shows a moment leading up to a deadly shooting. Where police officers seen walking around the outside of a home, shining a flashlight on the walls and windows for closer inspection. He stops, points his flashlight at a window, and draws his gun. Police issued a statement saying the officer perceived a threat, drew his weapon, and fired one shot, striking 28-year-old Tatiana Jefferson. City called a non-emergency number out of concern for his neighbor. Smith believes she might still be alive if he never dialed for help.
Alright guys, you're gonna see now. Maybe the camera might block out. No, maybe the camera has a good view. Now you're gonna see how many cars. You saw how far it was, right? Now you're gonna see how much that's gonna provoke all the cars to skip that whole line. While we all wait patiently, you know. If I wanted to, I could have done. You know what? It's about doing the right thing. I'm gonna wait patiently like everybody else. But of course, you're gonna get some a-hole who's gonna be like, nah, I'm not waiting. F everybody. You know, I bet you that was that same person that skipped the school lunch line. Maybe one contender right here. Yeah. Well, there you go. JGL 3577. That's one contender. He was the boy that skipped everybody in school lunch line. He was one of those that did it. Let me get in front of you and you get in front of me. And then the one behind is like, psh, and everybody else behind is like, psh. You know, I'm surprised. You got one out of everybody. Wow. And you'd be surprised, like, you know, and that was pretty long. And then sometimes it's longer, sometimes not that long. And you still get a lot of skippers. Look. So there you go. There's right here. Make it that left. Look at that. You ask it to everybody. Feeling proud. Oh, there's another one behind. The camera didn't catch that, though. Crazy, though.